So, you might be wondering why I'm wearing this. A face mask and goggles. Well, I'm about to do something that I'm not entirely sure is a good idea, but my curiosity is just too much for what could possibly be inside this. Let me show you what I mean. Who knows what could happen when this thing shows up? This would be my refrigerator. This is the stuff that's in my refrigerator. I got, potatoes. Those definitely need to get thrown away. They're from Thanksgiving. It's the day before New Year's. Some sort of crab soup. Probably not good anymore. All this, that's good to go. Stuffed ham. Good to go. Applesauce. Some other junk. And then this. Now, what could this be? Well, do you notice that right there? That right there? Whatever that is, it didn't used to be there. I am going to investigate. Okay. Here it comes. Oh, moving the cranberry sauce from Thanksgiving. Grabbing what I think was a turkey. Oh, God. Whatever it is, it's got tentacles with little black things on the end. I'm gonna open her up. Now, let's see here. Okay, I'm ready to investigate. Doesn't seem to be moving. That's good. Now, for any of you who have ever watched Cowboy Bebop, there's an episode where Spike Spiegel forgets about a lobster that was in their refrigerator that becomes alive and tries to kill him. That's what I think of right now as I look at our holiday turkey. As you can see, it didn't fare too well. I'm just waiting for that to come alive and try and kill me. Ooh. That is scary. Very scary. Get you up close. Let's see here. Oh, yeah. So, word to the wise, eat your holiday turkey and don't let it sit for a month or so. You will regret it. So, my mask wasn't quite needed. I was kind of expecting all sorts of things to fly out. I don't know. I was a little concerned with those tentacles or whatever that are sticking out there. But I'm going to throw this away now. Bye-bye.